Hi friends, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make slime. Whoa, that looks like so much fun. Now there are a lot of recipes for slime out there, but this one is my favorite because it's so quick and simple to make. Before we get started, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Now let's go over what you need today to make your slime. You need some white school glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, and food coloring, which is optional, but it will turn your slime fun colors, and we definitely want fun slime today. So let's get started. Take your glue. You want to use 8 ounces of glue, so I have 2 small 4-ounce bottles here, and dump it into a bowl. Now is the time to add food coloring if you're going to use it. I am going to make blue slime today. Take your spoon and mix it up to see if the color is just right. Yeah, that looks just about perfect to me. I love that color. We got a nice bright blue going on. So now let's take our baking soda and let's add 1 tablespoon. And let's give it a quick stir. Let's add the final ingredient that will turn our glue into slime. Let's take our contact lens solution and let's add about 2 tablespoons to start. If it's too sticky, we'll add some more later. Now let's mix it up. Keep mixing until your slime starts to peel away from the sides of the bowl. This might take a couple of minutes. Looks like our slime is starting to come away from the sides of the bowl. Ooh. Wow, this is so awesome. It's still a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna keep kneading it for a little while to make it a little more slimy. Keep kneading it until the slime starts to come away from your fingers. All right, I think our slime is all finished. It's coming away from my fingers, so it is ready to be played with. Wow. Let's see how far I can stretch it. Pretty far. I wonder what kind of sound it makes when I throw it down on the countertop. Should I try it? Okay. What a good splat that was. Peekaboo! It feels feels so wet and squishy between your fingers, but it's not really wet, it's just slimy. Let's see what it sounds like when I squish it. Kind of sounds like a bubble popping. Ah, this is so much fun. I could play with slime all day long. Wow. Look, I got little slime noodles. Well, that was so much fun. Thank you for hanging out with me and making some slime together. See you again soon.